plastic cups, paper plates, drinking straws. These are things we might associate with grade school art projects. But for Tara Donovan, these everyday, mass-produced objects become the material for her large-scale sculptures and site-specific installations. The piece we're talking about today is called Untitled Mylar, and it comes in around 13 feet tall. It's composed of thousands of small mylar sheets. Donovan and her studio assistants would roll the mylar into three-dimensional cones and then combine them into variously sized spheres. She has been making these large-scale installations for over 20 years, and she's known for her commitment to process. Which begs the question, how many mylar sheets can you fold into a circle before you drive yourself crazy? And we know she now utilizes a team of assistants to complete her current projects. But believe me when I say, no artist starts with a team of assistants. This work was born from hours and years in the studio, often alone and playing with the materials around her. She would identify modest, often overlooked mass-produced goods that had basically no material value on their own. Her works would often take on biomorphic qualities or even make us think of natural phenomena. For Untitled Mylar, this multi-part abstract sculpture appears to mimic the organic form of a molecule or planetary constellation. Her work is not only collected and exhibited by important museums across the globe, but it's earned her a Calder Prize and a MacArthur Genius Award. This particular piece was commissioned by the Indianapolis Museum of Art in 2010 as a part of the artist exhibition Tara Donovan Untitled, and is now on permanent display. If you find yourself traveling through the crossroads of America, it's definitely worth a visit. This video is a part of a series where I'm attempting to take a quick look at 30 works in 30 days. If this appeals to you, please like this video and consider subscribing to this channel. And thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Ciao.